doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Why do you have a flashlight on?
I was seeing there was a spider on you.
Can you not put your flashlight on me, please?
I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
Can you see it?
Fucking yes, I can see it.
I thought my flashlight was broken earlier. It's 6 a.m. We slept all night. Babe,
What?
did you hear me? It's 6 a.m.
Please shut up.
Barnes has decided to focus on getting out of jail.